G'day! In today's video, I'm just wanting to answer the simple question for myself. What's the bare minimum on a PS5 that I can have connected to actually get it to power? So right now I've just had a power supply replacement down here. The original one had failed, I've replaced that. Right now I've only got the two screws on this side holding the power supply in, 1 and 2. I don't have the Blu-ray drive connected, obviously, as you would have seen that already. I don't have the system fan installed. I've got, where are we? LEDs connected up to here. Antennas connected over here at the front. I've got, I can't actually remember what this particular cable is. That's connected, and the buttons are connected down there. Got HDMI power. That's good signs for me, being that this machine was not powering, and now I've got LED. I'm hopefully get a picture on this display just here, but at the moment, nothing. I'm expecting hopefully an error screen will show up, but let's see what it does. So right now, we're blue, we're still blue, and right now we're processing. So right now I've got essentially most of the shielding off here. You could probably get away with the shielding off on here temporarily, purely just turning it on, just to make sure it will power. Right now I wouldn't recommend leaving it on for a long term, as it will heat up over time. But if you're just simply doing a HDMI port replacement or a power supply replacement, this looks like the bare minimum you can get on there. Potentially even less if you were willing, but right now this is all I need. So we're off now, must be repairing and recovering. There we go, we're good to go. Let's continue reassemble. Hope that helps you. See you later. Wasn't turned off properly because it had a surge and the power supply died. See ya.